Good morning students, welcome to Academia Ambala. Today we are going to do addition of decimal numbers. Here you can see two numbers have been given and we have a decimal between it. Now when we are adding, it is just like the simple addition that we do. 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 plus 8, 14, 1 carried, and you can get the answer. It is 50. 46, but then there is something missing in it. It is you haven't put the decimal. So whenever you are doing addition of decimal numbers, if you have not put the decimal, the answer is incomplete. Now let me take another example of the addition of decimal numbers. Write in column form and add. Now all of you must be knowing what is column form. It is writing one number under the other and then doing the required operation. Now here I am going to take three numbers for addition of decimal numbers. But then you can see after decimal here we have got 3 digits. Here we have got 2 digits. Here we have got only 1. So when we are writing, there is a pattern. Now what is that? It is, first of all, you are going to write down the first number. Taking the second number, when you are writing it down, always remember the decimal will come under the decimal only. You can't write down the decimal elsewhere. Here again, writing the decimal and then you have to write down the digit 6 over here and 2 here, and there is only one digit after the decimal, so 7 to be written here. Now here you can see that this type of a situation is arising when you stand in assembly ground. During assembly, the teacher instructs you to stand one behind the other. Here the decimal point is also following the discipline. They are one under the other. Now the decimal numbers, the decimal places you have to see after each number. Here we have got 3, here it is 2, here it is 1. So they are unlike decimals. First of all, the first rule is to make them like. And for making them like, we are putting the zeros. Now you can see we have got in all the numbers 3 digits after the decimal and 2 digits before the decimal. Now we can do simple addition as you do. 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus 4 is 13, 13 plus 7 is 20, 2 carried, then 8 plus 2 10, 10 plus 2 12, 12 plus 6 is 18 and 1. So here you can see you have written the answer. So this is the answer. Now we are going to do subtraction of decimal numbers in the same manner as we did the addition. Here the sum is already written, 10.8 minus 3.52. Now again you have to make it first the like decimal. So when we are making it like, we are just putting zeros. Now here, as you all must be knowing how subtraction has to be done, so just solve it. 10 minus 2 is 8, 7 minus 5 is 2, and here it is 0, so it becomes 10 and here it becomes 0. So you can get the answer, and this is the answer. Now next question of it is, you have to again write it down the numbers given in column form and subtract. Now in column form, when you have been asked to give the given numbers to be written, that means you are being checked whether you know how to write them down or not, and in exams you have got some marks to arrange the given numbers in column form also. So be careful. So here I am writing the numbers 29.6 minus 13.73, and now you have to write down the first number. Now students, you must be seeing that when I am writing down the digits, I am writing them at a distance from one another. It is just because when you are writing the numbers at a distance, you are getting proper space to write down the digits clearly. Now here again making it like, you can see this is 0, so you have to make it 10. Here it is 5. 5 is still smaller than 7. So you have to borrow 1 from here. It becomes 15. Here it is 8. So 10 minus 3 is 7. 15 minus 7 is 8. 8 minus 3 is 5. And 2 minus 1 is 1. Never ever miss the decimal when you are writing the answer, because the subtraction in decimal requires, this is a mandatory thing. If you are doing a simple subtraction and not writing the decimal, your answer will be wrong. And there is a way of checking your subtraction. You can add these two smaller numbers, and when you are adding them both, you should get this as the answer, the biggest number. And you can get your answer checked before the teacher checks it. Thank you.